right, number 2. What I see people do is they don't know where to texturize the hair. So I would suggest not to texturize this top section or around the face until you get used to using your texturizing shears. Okay, texturize underneath if you're trying to remove bulk. And also, always remember, no matter what the length of hair is, you don't want to go anywhere closer than what it is halfway the length. So if it's this long, this is the middle of the hair. You do not want to texturize this area of the hair. Only texturize the mid-length to the ends. I don't care if their hair is this little. If it's only 3 inches, you find the middle of it and you only texturize the mid-length to the ends. Okay, do not texturize hair this close to the scalp. And the reason why you don't want to do that is because it will poke out.